Hi guys, you're watching Inkti's YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to present how to change pronoun and adverbials in reported speech. Before I'm going to start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Now, let's start. Reported speech, change of pronoun. Here, three types of pronoun. First person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronoun. I, we are the first person pronoun. You is the second person pronoun. He, she, it, they are the third person pronoun. Me is the objective case of I. My is the possessive case of I and myself is the reflexive case. Us is the objective case of we. Our is the possessive case. Ourselves is the reflexive case. You, both are same. Your is the possessive case. Yourself and yourselves, these are the reflexive case. Yourself is singular. Yourselves is plural. Him is the objective case of he. His is the possessive case. Himself is the reflexive. Her is objective case of she and possessive also same. Herself is the reflexive case. It, objective also same. Its possessive case, itself a reflexive case. And they, them, their, themselves. Change of pronoun. Now let's see how to change first person pronoun in reported speech. The first person pronoun, for example, I, we, me, us, my, our, myself, ourselves of the reported speech is changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. Let's see the example. He said, I can do it myself. Here, said is reporting verb and subject of reporting verb is he. He is the subject of reporting verb. And we have to change this I and myself. These are first person pronouns. These are changed according to the subject of reporting verb said. So let's see how to change it. He said. We have to use that conjunction here because it's statement. I is the first person. So person pronoun. So it is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. So we have to write here he. Can change into could. It, himself. Myself change into himself because myself also first person pronoun. It is changed according to the subject and subject is he. And we can't write here he because it is possessive case. So we have to change he also in possessive case. That is himself. Now its answer is he said that he could do it himself. Now next example, they said we have completed the work. Here we have to change this pronoun according to the subject of the reporting verb because we is also first person pronoun. So what's the answer? They said that we change according to the subject of the reporting verb. So we have to write here they have changed into had completed the work. Now second person pronoun. The second person pronoun, that is you, your of reported speech is changed according to the object of reporting verb. Let's see example here. She said to me, you can give your pen. Here you and your, these are second person pronoun and these are changed according to the object of reporting verb. Said to is reporting verb and what's the object of reporting verb? Obviously me. Now let's see its answer. She told me, said to change into told, and me, that is the conjunction here we have to use for the statement. And you is second person pronoun. So it is changed according to the object of reporting verb. Object of reporting verb. So this is object of reporting verb. And we have to write here that. And we can't write me because it is objective case. So it is subjective case. You is subject here. So we have to change this me into subject, that is I. Can change into could. Give my pen. Here this is your also second person. So it is also changed according to the object of the reporting verb. And we can't write here me because this your is possessive case. So we have to change this me into my, into possessive case, that is my pen. Now what's the answer? She told me that I could give my pen. Now another example, Sita said to him, your car is beautiful. Here it is the direct speech and your, it is second person, and it is also changed according to the object of reporting verb. Said to is reporting verb and it is changed according to this object. Now let's see the answer. Sita told him that his. Your is second person possessive case, so we have to change this second person according to the object. And we can't write here him because it is in possessive case. Then we have to change this him into possessive. That is, what's the possessive case of him? Obviously his. So his car was is changed into was beautiful. Now third person pronoun. The third person pronoun, that is he, she, it, they, him, her, them, his, their, is not changed in indirect speech. For example, he said she is selling her house. Now answer is he said that she was selling her house. Here this she is not changed because it is third person and third person is not changed in reported speech. Sorry. Ram said he helps them. Here, what's the answer? Ram said that he helped them. So, he also and them also. These are third person. So, these are no change in reported speech. It means first person pronoun change according to the subject. Second person pronoun change according to the object. Third person pronoun no change. It means this is yes, o, n, son. We can change pronoun according to son. Now change of adverbials. Now direct speech, while we change direct speech into indirect speech, we have to change the time adverbials or place adverbials. Now and just change into then, today change into that day, yesterday change into the day before or the previous day, tonight change into that night, tomorrow change into the next day or the following day, last change into the previous, the day before yesterday change into 2 days before, and the day after tomorrow change into in 2 days time, next week, next month change into the following week or the following month, ago change into before, hence change into thence, thus change into so, here change into there, come change into go, this change into that, these change into those. Now here are some examples. She said, I am reading now. Here the answer is she said that. I change according to the subject she. So here we have to write she. Is MR change into was where. So she takes was reading. Now change into then. The answer is she said that she was reading then. In next example, Hari said he will arrive next week. Next week change into the following week. Hari said that he, because it is third person, so no change. He, same here, will change into would arrive the following week. Now next example, he said I lost my pen yesterday. Yesterday change into the day before. The answer is he said that. This is first person pronoun change according to the subject. Subject is he, so we have to write here he. He and verb to change into had plus verb 3. So here had lost his pen. Here my pen change into his pen, my change into his, because my also first person pronoun, then change according to the subject of reporting verb, and it is my is in possessive case, so we have to change he into possessive case, and his is the possessive case of he, so we have to write here his pen the day before, yesterday change into the day before. Okay, that's much for this video. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.